Alright, in this video I'm going to be tightening up the web on this glove, and I'm also going to be setting the lacing back one notch. Alright, so I'm going to start with the webbing. On this glove, it's fairly easy. All you have to do is follow the lace pattern, which is this lace, which you just like that. If you want to do this, it's best to have a lacing tool, but you can also use the fork. That's what I used for a while. Works just fine. And so you pull that to your desired tightness or looseness if you're loosening it. And this lace runs straight across into this lace. So take it like that, and you'll see that you'll start to get some extra lace. Sorry, I couldn't think. Okay, so then this lace runs. It's sort of weird. It goes like this, and it comes into this lace right here. Let me get that out of the way. Okay. This lace comes into this one. So what you're gonna do is pull, and then as you can see, there's lots of lace there now. Then that one comes down through here, and so get that to where you want it, and then that lace comes into this lace right here. So what you're gonna do, take the glove and then pull until it's just right, and pull it through a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Now you're gonna have all that extra lace right there, so that one comes up through here, and you're gonna pull that through nice and tight. Then you'll have that. Then this lace comes through into the bottom part of the X. You just pull through, and get that to how you like it. Alright, that's good. And this one, I like to pull through right here, which comes in to right here. Alright, so there's that. That is the webbing of a two-piece solid. Hold on, it's not coming out right. Alright, so just like that. That's good. And what you're going to do, tie a square knot. Alright, this is going to be a little bit hard to do. Alright, what you do is take these, make sure the bad side is facing in, and you take these like that. Oops. Sorry, it's really hard to do at this angle. Gonna go over like that, and you're going to pull that tight, and then you're gonna make sure that the rougher side is facing up. Then you're going to take that, and then you're going to then they're going to be up and down, And then on the bottom one, gonna cross it to the left of the top one, and then you're gonna bring it around. Sorry about that. And you're gonna bring it around. Hold on. Alright, like that. Bring it around. Okay. Alright, it's good enough. So yeah, there's the webbing.